Actually, of an AC 50 years 10 ampere, the time taken by the alternating current in reaching from 0 to maximum value, and the peak value of the current will be. So RMS value of an AC 50 hertz. RMS value of an AC 50 hertz. ये 50 hertz हमारे पास होता है फ्रीक्वेंसी, at least हमारे पास 50 hertz. So this is 50 hertz. RMS value of an AC 50 hertz, and I is 10 ampere. The current is what 10 ampere. Time taken by the alternating current reaching from 0 to maximum value, and the peak value of the current is. ये हमारे पास करंट का इस तरीके से डायग्राम फ्रॉम करंट लाइक दिस. So this is 0 time, and here is this is t by 4 time, okay, and this is t by 2 time. T by 2 time, this is 3 t by 4 time. So you can add a t by 4, t by 4, t by 4, t by 4, t by 4. So, when you come up to here, this is capital T time, this is total time here. So RMS value of an AC sources frequency given 50 hertz. Okay, so if you write the normal equations, what is normal equation? I naught sine omega t. I equals to I naught sine omega t. Here, if you see omega from here, you can easily calculate omega because frequency is 50 hertz. Frequency is 50 hertz. So from here, we can easily calculate omega. Omega is what? 2 pi f. Omega is what? 2 pi f. So once we get omega here, okay, so we put omega here, and then we can create any situations. Okay, time taken by the alternating current reaching from 0 to maximum value. So for maximum value, I will be what? I naught. For maximum value, I will be what? I naught. So from here, we can get easily time. So first option 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 second, and this ampere, this ampere, this ampere, this and this. Okay. So T is T by 4. So on T by 4 time, you will get maximum current. At T equals to T by 4, you will get maximum current. From here you can easily get, okay, and this is frequency, okay. So this is t by 4. So you can say this is t equals to 1 by 4 divided by t. Okay, so this is 1 by t. Well, it's coming 1 by t. You can say this is 1 by 4. Okay, so usually this time is 1 by 4f. So from here you can get the time, okay, when your current will be maximum. And actually that is t by 4 time. This time is t by 4 time. So from here easily you can get the values. And what is maximum values? What is maximum value? I know is root 2 times of IRMS. Okay, 10 ampere is IRMS values here. 10 ampere is IRMS. From here you can get the answers. The form factor of a sinusoidal AC is 2 root 2 is to pi, pi is to 2 root 2, root 2 is to 1. So form factor is what? RMS value divided by average value over half cycle. Okay, so we need to remember this relation always. What is form factor? Form factor is RMS value. So what is RMS value? Okay, so RMS, of course, if I'm talking about current, so this is I of RMS value and average value over half cycle. Okay, so you have to calculate. I suppose you are calculating average value. So you have to calculate I average up to half cycle. Means what? 0 say T by 2. If I talk about, okay, for current, okay, what is RMS value? I naught by root 2. Okay, so for current RMS value, the I naught by root 2, and average value is what? 2 I naught by 5. 2 I naught by 5. Average value is what? 2 I naught by 5. So this thing you need to keep in your brain to solve the questions related from form factors. They directly questions comes from form factors. Okay, so either you can directly remember this relation. This is pi is to 2 root 2, pi is to 2 root 2, pi is to 2 root 2, pi is to 2 root 2. This is form factor. Okay, so this is very okay favorite question for J-mans. Okay. Heterogeneous the peak value of current in LCR series circuit is. This is easy question. Anyone can attempt these questions. Okay, so at resonance, the peak value question asking you the peak value. Okay, question asking you the peak value. So basically, this will be what? 0. Okay, omega L minus this term will becomes 0. Okay, at peak value this becomes 0. At peak value this becomes 0. So this becomes E naught by R. So this becomes E naught by R. I'm taking my IC of 50 Hz in which from 0 to its maximum value will be. Okay, again the same question I already did over there. So again you can use the I equals to I naught sin omega t directly, or you can use this relational t equals to t by 4. Keep in your brain when question asking you to find out the maximum current. Okay, so there from 0 to maximum current the time is t by 4. Keep in your brain, you can solve the value, put the values, you'll get the answers. This is one of the favorite questions again for JMANs. So you can do it easily from here if you understand the concepts. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to thinking how to approach the questions. So if you know the concept, you can solve it very fastly. Alternative current in circuit is given by this current. I'm taking a current from rise to 0 to RMS value. So see, basically, simply you need to put RMS value is what I naught by root 2. Okay, so simply you can put over here I naught by root 2 and you can solve this. See, here I'm showing you the solutions. If you put I naught by root 2, you can get the value directly. This is not T naught, this is I naught. Okay, yes, I mean this is I naught. Okay, this is I naught by root 2. From here you can get the values of time. This is again best questions of for J questions. Okay, so please take care of all this thing in your brain. If you want to approach the questions with less time, you should know all this concept very fastly. Okay, yeah. Next question. From there, you can get a mixer of 100 volts is connected to a source of 100 volt, and in a second, so the value of average potential difference across the mixer will be. The resistance is not at all. Resistance is 2000 volts, which is so omega is given 50 cycles per second. Okay, so we can get do this question. Okay, for 1 complete cycles, you can do this question. You will apply this relations here. So average value of potential difference across the mixer will be. Okay, so for complete cycle, this is 0 for complete cycle. So this is for 1 complete cycle. So this is basically what average potential. This is not RMS. Okay. This is for complete cycle. If you calculate average value it will be 0. But if you calculate now this RMS value, so this will be again E naught by root 2. So don't get confused. Again, they play here with the student. Okay, so answer is 0. Okay, that is what average value, not the RMS values. Okay, so here is wrong explanation here. So you should know if you want to approach the questions successfully. Yeah. So 4 questions remaining. So again, I will complete next 4 questions today. So let's see how many of you are doing all questions correct. Okay, yeah. Next question in front of you. So average value EMF during the positive half cycle of an AC supply of peak value is E naught. It's very easy questions. Anyone can do it. Question to E naught by I already happens question many times. So you should know all these ones very easily. And you should also know derivation. If you are approaching for J advanced, so you should know derivation. Okay, so if you want to score, good score in JMANS, G advanced as well. So definitely you should go to derivation. Don't go only for concepts, the applications. You should know actual derivation. Then only you can do the questions carefully and successfully. So the answer becomes 2 E naught by 5. Yeah. Next question is already this peak value, this instantaneous voltage system. Again, these questions you can easily put in the formula. Okay, so omega you can get it from here, and again, so you can put the formulas and you can get the values easily. Again, this is best concepts. So please learn all these concepts. Yeah. Next question. Sensitivity values of this. So impedance. Question asking you the impedance. Impedance is what is that? Okay. So I already explained this question many times. If you follow me, so you can do this question again. There is an impedance of the circuit will be. So question asking impedance. Impedance is basically what E naught by E naught. Please remember this concept in your brain always. Okay, Z is E naught by I naught. Also, I can write this formula, and also I can use this formula. Z is E RMS by I RMS. E RMS by I RMS. Please keep in your brain. Brain. This is very important. Very important. Anyone got this question? Yeah. Do it. Learn it. Okay. So this two. The last question of the day. We are going to complete it. Okay. Yeah. So last question of the day. So the instead of this, and currently this. Okay, so this is the impedance. Again, same questions. You can do it, everyone. Okay, very easy questions. You can do it easily. So again, impedance. This is okay. Don't focus here. This is impedance. Question asking you about that. You can put the values. You get answers. You know, okay. Again, I'm repeating this concept because it's also very important for JMANs. You can chat was to ERMS by IRMS. ERMS by IRMS. So I hope all of you understood all the concept. Whatever I try to explain you, this will definitely help you for your calculation. So this will boost your confidence. Okay, so all the concepts very important. Yeah, so if see one more concept we can add over here. So if the question is okay, so Z is this, okay, no issue in it. Okay, but okay, question C, if you see the carefully unit, so unit ohm is not given. Okay, unit is MHO. So from unit we play over here. Okay, so okay, so you can keep it directly in your brain that if you calculate Z, so that Z is ohm. So if I calculate M1 by Z, so that is what MHO. You know also this in okay junior classes, these concepts also in junior classes. Okay, this is okay. Here I'm talking about this new terms. So here admittance. Okay, so admittance is nothing. Just you can play with unit. So you can do this question carefully and easily. Yeah, but this is important concept. You should know the concepts. Okay, so you can play with units directly. Yeah. So I hope all of you understood all the things. Thank you.